Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to copy TikTok profile link, and now let's dive right in. Now to copy TikTok profile link, first open up your TikTok app, and over here guys at the bottom right corner of your screen you can see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and over here you can see the share profile button at the middle section of your screen just beside the edit profile. Tap on that share profile button over here, and you can see guys, in order to copy your profile link, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is the copy link option available for us just beside the share profile. Tap on copy link, and you have copied the link of your TikTok profile. Now in order to show it guys, let's go to the messaging section and let's message somebody over here, and let's open a chat box of a person and let's paste it. And you can see, in order to paste it, tap and hold on the chat box and simply paste it. And you can see guys, we have successfully copied and pasted the TikTok profile link. Now you will be able to paste it wherever you like, and this way you will be able to copy your TikTok profile link. And guys, this is how to copy your TikTok profile link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.